Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today because I have some wonderful, special friend mail to share. This is Mary's channel, and she also has another channel with her husband, John, also known as Cameraman. I'll have Mary's wonderful YouTube channels listed below. Be sure to check them out so that you can go see her awesome content. Mary and her husband, John, sent this beautiful card to my husband, Alan, and I, and these adorable Jesus socks. Mary also wrote a special card to me with a wonderful prayer and scripture verse inside, along with this beautiful angel. And she's holding a lovely little cardinal and has 2 cardinals on her dress. It reminds me of my husband. He loves cardinals so much, and that's the state of Ohio bird where we're from originally. And the 2 little cardinals below remind me of my 2 kids. It's very special. And Mary also sent this beautiful bracelet, and it has a scripture right along the outside edge, and it reads, God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Thank you so much, John and Mary. I appreciate you so much, and so does my husband, Alan. These are such wonderful, special, thoughtful gifts. Thank you so much for being here. I had such a wonderful time sharing these very special gifts and special cards. I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas.